I am Zeena. I am doing my internship in China. I passed my FMGE with 179 marks in my first attempt. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to Dr. Mendes, and very special thanks to Dr. Pujit Bajani sir and Satish Mali sir. More than 40 questions from OBG and PSM, also 40 questions. I'm so happy. I don't know how to express my feelings and my excitement. And Dr. Mendes helped me to understand the concept very crystal clear. I'm so happy, and the questions are direct. And also anatomy, biochemistry, psychiatry, these subjects also helped me a lot, and strongly recommend my dear friends Dr. Mendes. It's very helpful, and I am so grateful to Dr. Mendes for helping me, and thank you for being a good mentor and guiding me in a right path. I'm so happy, sir. I'm so thankful.